Many a times we totally neglect the spiritual aspect of salah. We are just offering salah because we have to offer salah. So when we are offering salah, if we want salah to prevent us from shameful and immoral deeds, we should concentrate in our salah. We should see to it that we concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting. All of us should see to it that we memorize the translation of Surah Al-Fatiha. So when we are in salah, we can concentrate upon the meaning of Surah Al-Fatiha if we do not know Arabic as a language. And besides this, we should also memorize and read the translation of other surahs as well. The short surahs, for example, Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, Surah Al-Nas. So when we recite the surah in the glorious in our salah, we can concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting. If we know Arabic as a language, it is the best. We can directly understand what we are reciting. But if we do not know Arabic as a language, then we should see to it that before we start offering salah, generally we should see to it that we memorize the translation of Surah Al-Fatiha, memorize the translation of the other short surahs, and also read the translation of the adhkar that we recite in our salah.